Hi guys, this week I read about a strategic partnership between a propulsion hardware startup and a collision avoidance software startup that I think could have some interesting cybersecurity implications. So, as you guys know, the new space economy is an exciting but challenging place to establish success and momentum. And one of the things that startups can do is partner with other startups in order to accomplish a variety of strategic objectives. These objectives can include reducing or sharing R&D costs to positioning as like a combined customer solution. So as I had mentioned, the article I read this week is the related to the latter option of partnerships. So the article basically discussed a strategic partnership where the idea is that a customer could install a low mass and cheap propulsion hardware onto their host satellite and only pay for the fuel used for actual maneuvers. And the collision software would then detect and trigger a maneuver on the hardware side in cases where the host satellite may be facing a potential collision. So again, the software is run by one company and the hardware is run by another company. And the partnership is to combine a software and hardware as a customer solution so that they can go to market together as a more complete solution. So the partnership definitely makes strategic sense, but I think if not managed carefully, there could be some cybersecurity implications for the host satellite and customer. So what's essentially happening is that you're adding separate hardware and software layers onto the satellite, and the host could face at least two additional vulnerable points for attack. So for example, an attacker could take command on the software side to trigger false maneuvers, or an attacker could implement a supply chain attack on the hardware side, planting a future option for exploitation. And as we discussed in class, a space system already has multiple entry points for attacks, including the spacecraft, the link, and the ground station. And these strategic partnerships between new space economy startups could add multiple entry points, especially when partnerships are formed by individual entities.